You are watching supportdood YouTube channel.
LCD display is flickering symptom. User may notice the screen display is flickering. Solution: 1. Change LCD lid open angle several times and watch the LCD behavior. Check if the symptom got any changes during the test. If yes, reconnect or replace the LCD cable. 2. Remove the memory and LCD cable, clean all the pins, reconnect them and try again. 3. Run LCD test from tool, and check if there is any hardware failure. If the symptom still exists during the test, replace the LCD panel. 4. Connect an external monitor then switch the display to it, check if the symptom still exists.